Welcome back. This is the final episode in our Inventor ShutBox assembly. Today we're going to take the ShutBox assembly that you created and the flipper assembly and place them together. And then we're going to be finished with this project. To start off, you guys should have the video playing on your iPad sitting next to your computer so you can follow it along and use it as a resource. And we're also going to be having Inventor open on our computer. With Inventor on our computer, we're going to go up to the orange file in the top left-hand corner of the screen and click New. We're going to choose Standard IAM from the options that are in front of us. It looks like building blocks stacked on top of one another, Standard IAM, and click Create. We're going to go up to our ribbon bar in the top and we're going to select Place. Now before we've been placing parts, now we're going to go find our assembly, ShutBox assembly, and we're going to place that. Click Open. Click one time to place it. And we have another one attached to our cursor. We're going to press Escape to let go of that. As like we did with our other assemblies, we have to ground the first one that we put in. So we're going to go to our model browser on the left-hand side of our screen, go to the icon in front of it, and we're going to right-click with our mouse, that's middle finger on your mouse, and go down to Grounded, about 3/4 of the way down. You can tell it's grounded because it has that push pin there. Okay, next let's zoom out just a little bit so that we have some room to place our flippers. Let's go back up to the ribbon bar, select Place, and let's go find our flipper assembly. Click Open. We're going to put our flipper assembly so that the dowel is kind of close to the hole here. We still have another one attached to our cursor. Press Escape to let go of that. Once again, I want to move this so that that dowel is kind of close to the hole because that's where it's going to go in. To constrain this, we're going to go up to the Constrain command in our ribbon bar and we're going to select Mate. We want to mate. Zoom in here so you can get on it. The center line of the dowel. See where I'm at? Zoom in. Center line of the dowel. And I also want the center line of this hole. That's the dot dash line. And click. We want Undirected to be selected and click Apply. Let's see what happened. Go home. And I can see that my flippers are kind of facing the wrong direction. I'd rather have my flippers over this way. So now we got to change that around. So let's go zoom in here. We want the flush command in our constrain menu. I want the end of my dowel right here. Go home. I want the end of this dowel to be flush to this side of my ShutBox, and that's going to take my flippers and flip them around. Click Apply. Let's go home. There we go. Now they're looking good. Now we still have one other problem that we have. Right now my flippers still rotate and move. So we need to get those so that they lay back on that back piece of our ShutBox. So we're going to turn this around first. Click on the top right hand corner in our World View Cube to turn that around. And we're going to go put one more constraint on here. Another mate. I want to mate this edge of my back piece right here to the back of one of my flippers. You can choose any one you want. Click Apply. And you can see now when I click the right side, they're resting right on that edge there. And that's exactly where they're supposed to be. Press Cancel in your constraint. Go home. You are all done with your ShutBox assembly. Nice job. That was a big job to get finished. Let the teacher know that you're done. But before you do that, let's go save this part and assembly. So let's go up to the orange file in the top left-hand corner. Let's go to Save As. Make sure you're in your H drive, and we're going to call this Final ShutBox assembly. Click Save. Now's the time to go let your teacher know that you finished. They're going to be very proud of you. You did a very nice job. Congratulations.